Hey everyone, this is Casey with CReeves Makes. I'm going to do something a bit different for the video this week. About 2 years ago, I designed and built this Walnut TV console for our living room. I didn't have all of the footage saved, so all I have is my Instagram videos for all the content that I shared over that duration of time. So I'm going to put all those together in kind of a build montage and let you guys sit back and enjoy them without me talking over them. They're all pretty self-explanatory and straightforward, so if you have any questions, please leave them in the comments down below. Hey everyone! I recently finished this media console and wanted to share with you the hinges and support that I used for the drop-down door. Rockler sells these supports along with the drop hinges that I used. The supports are available in a variety of torque ratings and can be used with any type of 90-degree folding hinge. The hinges I chose are the SDH-001 model. Both sets of instructions give you all the information that you will need for mounting them. The support locks the door when open and then offers a soft close feature when it's closing. I just wanted to share this with you as I had trouble finding information on what type of support to use for this application. I hope this helps some of you who may have a project where this would be a good solution. It was a lot of fun to look back and see all those old videos and kind of see where things have grown and developed from. As I was building and doing this project, I was learning a lot of things and trying some new methods along the way. You probably saw a couple different types of miter joint cuts that I was doing, really just experimenting and trying new things. So I really hope you guys enjoyed this kind of video, and let me know what you think down in the comments below. Also, let me know what you think about the TV console. Having it in our living room for almost 2 years now, it's absolutely beautiful, and I would not do anything differently with it. It's been a really nice treat to have as a centerpiece in our home. If you liked this video, please click subscribe and stay tuned for more. I'm Casey with CReeves Makes, and thanks for watching.